welcome back to my lovely channel. So today I'm here to do a review on my Louis Vuitton Neo Noe, and I actually got a request from Jordan Hannah. So hey girl, thanks for requesting. I really love when people request stuff because, you know, it gets me excited because I love to see videos like this. Personally, you know, I'm always on YouTube trying to figure out if I want the bag or not. So I'm really excited to do this one because this is one of my favorite bags. So I have like top 3 of my favorite bags, and this is a bag that my husband bought me. So I think I bought it back in, what was it, 2018? Yes, I want to say, yeah. I'm like, I can't even think right now, but yeah guys, so it's like a really special bag and I love it. So I'm so glad that you asked me to do a review and I hope you like it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you what fits inside and of course mod shots, because you know I love to see what it looks like on people so that way y'all can really see what the bag look like. So yeah guys, before I get started, I just wanted to read a little quote, and it's from Martin Luther King Jr. It's a very known quote and I feel like everybody knows this one, but the quote says, "Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about the things that matter." So I don't want to be silent. I want to, you know, if I have to read a quote here and there or whatnot, like I want to be a voice of something positive. So with all this negativity that's going on, so yeah guys, I'm all for that. So hopefully one day we can make a change soon. But yeah, you know, it always starts with awareness. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right guys, so I'm about to show you guys what the bag looks like, and I'm going to show you guys the current price because I checked it on my other phone. So just a disclaimer, girl, when I bought this bag it was $1,500. okay, so the price has gone up because Louis Vuitton is crazy. Like, stop raising your prices. Oh my gosh, y'all, I bought this bag 2 years ago. So, but anyway, here she is. Oh my god, I love it. I love the monogram with the black. That is so pretty. I do not like Vachetta. Like, this one has Vachetta, what's sticking inside, but the strap is Vachetta, but it's turned into like a patina color and I despise it. I don't know, I never liked it. I was never into, that's why I used to get the Damier bean print, because there's no patina issue there. So it's already treated leather. So this one's black, but I feel like it's super pretty with the monogram because to me it makes the monogram pop. So yeah, like again, this is the black Neo Noe with the monogram, and I have mine tied with my Louis Vuitton not the Confidential, I think this is the World Bandeau, something like that. But here's my little, what is this, tag thing, and it doesn't say, just gives you the little date code and stuff. Made in Italy, 100% silk. If you guys are interested in this, I used to have a little pom-pom right here, but I took that off and I switched it to this. This is one of my favorites. It's kind of like leopard and like, I don't know if it's like a zebra-ish print, tiger print, I don't know, but that's my jam. I love me some leopard print. But yeah, like I said, I bought this for $1,500. And I got mine from the Scottsdale Fashion Square Mall here in Phoenix area, Arizona. So right now, you guys, this freaking bag, same color combo and everything, is retailing for $1,780. Listen, that's like freaking, that's over $200 price increase. In case y'all want to see the price. There it is. And it's the same thing. It's the black and monogram. But don't get me started. I don't even want to talk about Louis Vuitton and their price increases. But yeah, so this one, it says Louis Vuitton right here. Not on this side, so just on one side. And then it has this little adjustable, so you can open it and close it this way. And honestly, you guys, if you're worried about this being like unsecure, it's very, very, very secure. Once you tighten it up, you're good to go. Nothing's gonna fall out or anything. So that's a good positive thing. And these do come off. We're off the D-ring. So if y'all are wondering about that, you can switch the straps if you like. I have never switched the straps because I love the strap. And it says Louis Vuitton, both sides. And of course on this one too, it says Louis Vuitton. And these little rivets say Louis Vuitton as well. both sides on them, in case you guys are wondering about that. So I really like that. And this one is adjustable, so I'll show you guys that part once I do the mod shots. But I have never taken these little buttons off and adjusted it. This is usually how I wear it, so yeah, I like the length of it and everything. It's really good on me. So disclaimer, it's going to be dirty because this was like a bag that I always use, and I'm always switching back to this one. I don't want to hear nobody being like, oh my god, what's wrong with her? And it's black on the inside, so if you got little dusty marks and stuff, you're going to be able to see it. But yeah, it has a middle compartment with a zipper, and I usually just keep my zipper open. It goes really deep actually. See where my hand is? Like, it's pretty deep down there. So this one, I usually keep my zipper open. Like I said, I don't ever like close it up or anything. But it's like a suede material on the inside. But yeah, the little zipper part says Louis Vuitton Paris on it. The date code is inside of this little pocket. I don't know if you guys care about the date code, but I can't see it. No ma'am, nope, not even with my glasses on. It's like literally stuck in there. But yeah, so if you guys want to know the date code, I can't freaking figure it out. Maybe I'll put it in the description box once I try to like look in there and figure it out. But yeah, so the inside pocket has the same like lining as this outside, so it's not all suede on the pocket, just on the inside of the bag and inside of this little pocket right here. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside. This is just gonna be basic of what I normally carry. It's gonna be nothing fancy, you guys. So this is pretty much all my stuff that I would normally carry. You know, of course, receipts or whatever I throw in here, but that's about it. So usually I carry it with one of my bigger wallets that I have, and this is my Louis Vuitton Emily wallet. Well, this was a limited edition kind of piece. It's really hard to get, so I don't know if y'all are interested. I can try to find and see if they have it. But there's some stuff in here, so hopefully it doesn't fall. Oh, actually no, there's some change and stuff, but that's it. And yeah, so this is so cute. It's a flower. I love flowers and I love pink, so yeah. This is the wallet I normally carry with that bag. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And it has four pockets right here. You have a pocket right here, middle compartment, and there's some stuff back there, sorry. But yeah, it's a back compartment as well. There's change in here, I can hear it already, but this one has change. I really love this wallet. Oh my god, it's so pretty. But yes, this is what I usually would put in here. I wouldn't carry a smaller wallet just because that's just my thing. So I'm pretty sure you guys can, but I just wouldn't. So I'm gonna put it in here. There goes my wallet, and it's a perfect fit. Sorry, this is like so dark the inside of here, but okay, it fits perfectly. So my other two, sorry, I'm trying to grab these, but my other is my favorite mini pochette that I've had forever and a day. But this one, I have a bunch of madness of so many like lip products, hair ties, some Tylenol, and like a phone charger cable to it, and a sucker because I have kids, so you know, just in case I want to give them a lollipop. But yeah, this one definitely will come with me. If I'm carrying a bigger bag, y'all, I'm usually having my mini pochette with me. So this goes in the back. So the wallet in the front, this one's in the back. So and it's pretty heavy within itself. So it's gonna, the more stuff you put in, the heavier it's gonna get. That's why I personally just like to keep it to exactly what I need, because my mini pochette carries everything that I personally would want, like hair ties, lip gloss, and you know, some dang Tylenol. So and this is my other one. This has my house keys, and I have also my insurance cards and like my mailbox keys and stuff like that. So it all goes in here. And this one, I usually, you guys, put it right in this middle zipper part right here, and it fits perfectly. And it's pretty deep, so it goes all the way down, but you can still like easily get it in and out. So, and then last but not least are my keys. So I'm gonna put my keys actually in the middle compartment as well. So perfect. Honestly, you guys can fit like a diaper or like wipes in here. I know, right? Like, you're gonna buy this expensive bag to put some dang diapers and wipes in here, but I have kids, so my little one, like, I have done it before. So like if I'm going with my friend somewhere and we're going to like a restaurant or something, and I'm like, oh, you know what, I don't want to take a whole diaper bag with me, let me just grab a one diaper and like a white packet and just put it in the back right here. It does fit. So in case, you know, if any of you mommies want to know that, y'all can put some baby stuff in here as well. But yeah, so basically I love this bag, and I really would definitely recommend to get this bag before the freaking price goes up anymore. If you guys are like into any Louis Vuitton pieces, I suggest you get it, because their price increases are becoming really crazy. I don't know if it's because of like all that's going on right now and they're like missing out on money, but listen, that's crazy. Like, it should not have gone up that much in price. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the mod shots really quick and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I hope you guys liked the mod shots. I showed you guys how to do it the long way as well. Personally, it's too long for me, so I only use this as a shoulder bag. If any of you ladies are like mommies, this bag is perfect. Like, even if you have like diaper bag or like kids on your like carrying your kids or like pushing a stroller, like I never had an issue with this being on my shoulder. Like, it's staying on perfectly, so I wouldn't really use the crossbody option personally, but I did show you guys what it looked like. Like I said, it's too long for me, so I wouldn't use it that way. So yeah, guys, I really do love this bag, and I think it's worth every penny. So if y'all want to grab it while the price is not before another price increase, basically, so you guys can get at the current price, I would definitely suggest you do. It's a very functional bag. This is like one of my top bags in my collection that I really love, so I would definitely tell you guys if this was not worth the price, and I definitely think it is very much so worth the price. So make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure you guys subscribe. I'm almost at the 500 subscriber, and I'm super excited because if you guys watch till the end, please leave some comments down below and let me know what you guys would like as like a giveaway prize. I'm gonna have like multiple giveaway winners, not just one. So as soon as I hit 500, I will do my little giveaway. But can y'all like let me know what you guys would like as like prizes, I guess? Or yeah, I would say prizes. So yeah, anyway, just let me know, give me some suggestions. I would really appreciate that, so that's why I'm not like, what do I get, you know? So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Stay positive and love one another and spread awareness. A quote here and there, or you know, on your social media, anything, you guys, just be positive, because hopefully one day it makes a change in the world that we definitely need. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.